Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do this video for you to share some of my Easter babies, and also I have a quick unboxing from Babyland which finally arrived. So I'm going to start the video off with the Babyland unboxing, and then we'll go to the segment that I actually already recorded on my Easter kids for this year. So really excited to show you guys what I got from Babyland. Something I've wanted for a while, and I finally took the time to contact Nurse Denise and ask if she had any available, and there were 3 that I was able to choose from. And this is the one I went for, so here we go, guys. We've got the famous bag when you get a package from Babyland. A receipt, and let's see. Oh my goodness, look who's coming out. It's one of these adorable Yona mountain bears. So cute. Oh my gosh. The outfit says Dinos Rock. It has little dinosaurs, and I asked Nurse Denise if they had a gender, and I think she said there wasn't really a gender assigned, so you could kind of make it what you want. I'm not sure yet if I'll have this be a boy or a girl. This is like, I don't know if it's like a little karate outfit but it's so cute. It looks like a little dress in a way though. I just thought these were adorable. I first saw these when Doreen did a video on her channel sharing hers a while back, and I've been wanting one ever since, but just never got around to trying to pick one up. So I'm so excited to have this baby here. They have these little booties on. This one has booties on, but underneath that, I think, yes, there's the Xavier Roberts signature, kind of like the old Fur Skins had. So very cute. And they're just so soft. They're so soft and plush. So I am so happy to have one of these to add to my doll room. And I just wanted to share with you guys. So thank you so much for joining me on the channel. We're going to go over to the Easter segment now, and I hope you like the babies that I have to share with you today. Easter babies. So I have a bunch of kids here to show you, and I'm going to get started because I went a little crazy, and now you might notice that I'm selling a bunch of my babies. I'm trying to really go through the collection and sell a lot of the kids that just don't spark that joy anymore, or just, you know, sometimes you bond more with some than others. So I'm selling a bunch of them. I am trying to raise money. I've mentioned in a previous video that I'm actually trying to adopt an actual child. And so to raise money for some of the costs involved with that, I am downsizing the collection quite a bit right now, but I will always continue to collect, and especially the softies will always have my heart. But I have a lot of babies, both softies and mass market, that I plan to sell. There's some I just can't part with. But if you've ever seen any in any of my videos, including the mass market kids that you particularly are interested in, please feel free to message me on Facebook. I'm on there as Desiree Hausler Guarino. Okay, so let's get started with Easter babies, guys. This is exciting. So this is probably my last hurrah of a lot of the newer softies that I'll be really buying for a while, unless there's like a special edition. I might just allow myself to get those. But I'm also going to be focusing a lot on my older softies again, because you can get those for more of a bargain, unless they're the really old ones like the signed 79s or 80s. But I'm going to be bargain hunting for a bit. So let's go through these babies. I want to share this guy with you. I'm so excited to have him welcomed into the patch here with me. This is Colin Ray. He's a full-size Easter kid for 2022. He's looking very dapper with his striped pants, his little kicks. And again, his name is Colin Ray. He's got beautiful dimples and freckles, and he's got like that, I guess this is the truly yarn hair, but it's very close to the head. It's like a crew cut type. It feels so soft. And it's like, it's coming up a little lighter on camera, but it's like a really pretty, like light turquoise / teal blue, I guess you would say. So he is just a handsome little fella. So happy to have him here with us. Next up, I did get an Easter newborn. So this is a 2022 Easter newborn. This is Madeline May. I, of course, made her the sweater. Had to get her the sweater to bring her in. She's got these cute little shoes. And I decided to just go with cheek dimples. And it looks like no freckles for her. So very cute. I love those violet eyes. Purple is my favorite color. So to have her with her purple hair, purple outfit, and eyes, I'm so happy to bring her in. Next up, we've got, I think I've showed this one before, this gorgeous baby that I readopted from, I believe it was Sylvia. And so this is Ariella Louise. And I think I had commented on the previous video, or maybe I unboxed her, that I thought she should be named Georgia Peach, but I don't know, I'm kind of too lazy to request the new papers. So I should probably stay Ariella Louise, but maybe her nickname will be Georgia Peach. So she's so pretty. I just love the loop hair. Look at that hair, guys. She is gorgeous. I love the sweater. I love the whole outfit. It just goes great with her hair. She's my first espresso that's a full-size kid, my only one. I do have an espresso Lully. He's back there over my shoulder with the red hair. So love Ariella Louise. Moving right along, I did show this baby to you before. I readopted her recently. And I'm forgetting her name. Her name tag isn't on her. Oh, it was Peony, after the flower. And she's got beautiful violet eyes and the purple hair, pigtails. I made her a sweater as well to go with her Easter dress. She's got white patent leather shoes, no freckles or dimples. And she's gorgeous. I love her to death. And this one, I don't think I've shared yet. This one is another gorgeous 2022 Easter kid. Bunny Esther, I named her Bunny Esther. And she has dimples on the cheeks and freckles. You could see them. And the gorgeous violet eyes. And look at the hair, guys. She's got great hair. It's like this multicolored yarn with the bright pink. And I made her a sweater too. They all have a variation of sweater. I did make a little modification on her dress. She had a pink bow with a pink flower here, bright pink to match the hair. I'm not a bright pink person in general, so I didn't need all that bright pink. I thought the bright pink in her hair was enough for me. So I changed it to a nice thick light purple ribbon. And then she's got black patent leather shoes. So she is a diva in my doll area from this gorgeous diva. So they are so beautiful. I love them. We've got this cutie, which is one of my vintage babies. She is Easter 89. Easter 89. She's got like a crimped style hair almost. And she also has white patent leather shoes. And her outfit does say Easter 89. She is adorable. I'm considering rehoming this one. So if anybody is interested in her, I am probably going to be adopting her out soon. You can send me a message. I've had her for a long time, probably over 20 years. But sometimes you need to just rotate the babies. So, Anyway, guys, that's my Easter kids I have for you right now. I just wanted to share them with you quickly. They're so beautiful. I'm so happy to have them brought into my patch. They're probably going to be again. I always say this, but I really mean it because I am really trying to put funds aside at this time for my adoption journey for a real life child. So that's very exciting. So you'll see me on the Soft Face Place and some of the other cabbie groups on Facebook groups, probably online, maybe Mercari even, selling some of my babies. So I hope that they get great new homes with some of you guys. Thank you as always for watching my channel. Have a great rest of the month, great Easter, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.